Considering a monitor to showcase your photos or videos? Do you already own a Sony BRAVIA TV? Did you know that most BRAVIA TVs can be used to preview your own photos and videos with family or clients? We make professional displays used by creators and studios around the world. We also teamed up with the same engineers behind Sony's acclaimed Alpha cameras who have helped fine-tune this picture mode, allowing you to view your photos on a large screen with confidence. Now there are two modes we recommend for this, professional and photo. Let's show you how to set these up and why you want to use them. First, connect your PC or camera to your BRAVIA TV via HDMI. Hit the quick settings button, scroll over to content type, then move the selector up to video/images. Then over to picture mode and move up or down to professional. Professional has been tuned by Sony's picture quality engineers to replicate our incredible reference monitors in your home. Color, clarity, and contrast are extremely accurate out of the box. We recommend this mode for critical viewing and even editing. Now, if you are showing your content to friends or clients and want a little more pop, then head back into the quick settings menu and move over to the picture mode, then down to photo. This mode was tuned in collaboration with Sony Alpha camera engineers to faithfully reflect your vision on the screen. This is also great for viewing in bright rooms. If you use a legacy Sony BRAVIA TV, you may only see picture mode, and from there, you can select photo. This will best represent photos for your TV. Or custom mode, which is equivalent to professional mode and is ideal for critical viewing. For your videos, select cinema or standard depending on your viewing environment or your preferences. And when you're done working, you can kick back and enjoy your favorite movies, series, or hop online with your friends on your PS5 Pro, all on the same TV. Now that's the power of BRAVIA.